I think it's obvious that I believe in the future of VR technology, considering that I made an entire YouTube channel about this topic. Nevertheless, I can confidently say that VR headsets will not completely replace our flat screen devices like monitors and TVs. As amazing as VR can be, in this video I want to speak about why our old and boring flat screen devices are here to stay. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this is a one-sided win for the flat screen devices. The advantage VR has over other means of presenting content is the high degree of immersion you can only experience with this kind of technology. On the other hand, the price of this immersion is that on a VR headset, the content can be enjoyed only by one person at a time. There is nothing wrong with this, since there will be a lot of times when you want to enjoy an experience without being bothered by your real-life environment. But for the sake of this video, I will concentrate on the capabilities of a VR headset to simulate flat-screen devices like monitors and TVs in a virtual environment. For this aspect, the biggest advantage VR has over traditional flat-screen devices is the ability to customize your virtual monitor. You can change its size, the distance between you and the monitor, or even create more monitors without any additional cost. Another benefit is the fact that you can have a full-sized monitor on the go, which can be used while traveling by plane or other means of long-time public transportation. There is no need to worry about your privacy, since only you will be able to see the virtual monitor. From this point of view, you might say that it's much better than using your smartphone screen, but in my opinion, the benefits don't compensate for the disadvantages of not having a flat screen monitor in our day-to-day life. For most people, media consumption is an activity that offers a higher degree of enjoyment when shared with our family, friends, or a significant other. It is much easier for a group of 3 to 4 people gathered in the same room to watch a movie on the same flat screen monitor. On the other hand, it will be much harder for them to share this experience only using VR devices, a case in which every single one of them will need to have a personal headset. Even if we ignore the much higher price needed for a similar experience, there is also the problem of making the social interaction less enjoyable. We as humans have evolved to enjoy looking at facial expressions in order to better understand the person we are interacting with. Having a headset block visual access to these expressions will most likely make the interactions more awkward than it needs to be. It's true that in a virtual environment you could see the facial expressions of your friend's avatar if his headset has advanced face tracking capabilities. But let me ask you this, why would you go through all these extra steps to obtain a less qualitative representation of the friend you could simply see by taking off your headset? I also enjoy speaking with people from the other part of the world using my virtual avatar, but for people who are in the same room as me, I will much rather prefer to interact with them in the real world. In such cases, a flat screen device will be a much easier way for us to enjoy the same movie while at the same time interacting naturally. Aside from this, there are other times when a monitor or TV might be preferable over a VR headset even if you are alone. For example, last week I almost split my head in an accident, so now I can't use a headset for at least 2 weeks. But there is no need for the problem to be this extreme. Small problems like a headache, skin irritation, extremely high temperature in summer, or other reasons might make you less willing to wear a headset at certain moments. At that time, the possibility of enjoying your videos and games without the need to put a device on your face is a welcome choice. I'm sure you had at least one moment when you didn't feel like entering VR, so you get the idea. As amazing as VR can be, I don't see us giving up on the convenience of flat screen devices, at least in the foreseeable future. But this is only my opinion, so I will be glad to hear yours down into the comments. If you liked the video, consider subscribing for more VR content. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.